Alright, here is, I've used this before, but I had to redo my headlights again because I messed up. So what I first did is I sanded down the headlights, water sanded, so you can see, bucket, spray bottle, and what I used is this first. It's from AutoZone, 400, 600, 800 grit. After that, I sanded it down with 1500 and then a 3000 grit. And then this is how it was going to turn out. Just cloudy. Once that was done, I'm going to use this right now. I already did one wipe, as you can tell. Over there, I opened one already. And that's the first pass already with the wipe. It already dried out. I'm going to do a second pass. But give me a second. Now, here's how it looks like. There it is. Step one. So we're going to do a wipe right here. Just kind of clean it all out. Since I sanded it down, it is clean. It's a little bit, but it's super clean. Now this is for the BMW i3. When I got her, she was yellow. And I did the first one, and I didn't sanded it down. This didn't take out as much, but I noticed it was really nice. And that's just cleaning it right now. Look how clean that is. See my reflection. And it cleans it out. Actually, there's a lot extra on this wipe right here. I'm going to use it on this one. This one still hasn't been. Let's see. It says it takes out the oxidation. Huh? Cleaned it up. Look at it. All the sticky stuff is coming off. Yeah, look at it. Alright, other side, and swipe it down again. I still got a couple of more in the UV protection after, so swipe it down. Yeah, it turned out really nice. Yeah, just cleaning it all off. Now you can see the inside. Oh, couldn't do that before. Alright, let me finish this up. And then it's getting a little better. Look at that. I'm gonna do the last one. Now we're gonna put the UV protected. We'll be back. Alright, so I took it out the package and here it is. Now let's see how this thing goes. Not bad. There's a little bit of spots from the inside. It's not. Yeah, it's from the inside, but it's okay. Let it dry out. I still got a little bit extra. Let's just use this here for now. Not bad. Not bad at all. I'll let it dry for a couple of minutes. Let's see if this one came out good. Let's get it up close here. Now you can see the inside. Alright guys, well, there it is. Oh, yeah. That was just one wipe I used. Alright guys, here it is, 1 hour later. It came out good. Sorry for the airplane. Alrighty. Once again, thanks for watching.